What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally finishing the Toyota 86 build. It's been a long time coming, but we've got to throw the front end together and then let's go ahead and take her out for a test drive. We actually changed the oil on this car a while back, and we had my little brother do it, and he didn't put in a washer.
It wasn't my little brother, it was a different kid.
Different kid? Different kid.
We're trying to teach him how to change oil, you know?
But basically, he forgot to put on a washer on the drain plug, so now we're gonna have to drain all the oil again, and then put on a washer on the drain plug, and get it all filled up, because check this out right now. Yeah! It's leaking. Leaking bad.
Crazy.
Not good.
Looks like the nice color of the Mississippi.
All right, moment of truth right here. Boom.
Sheesh! Alright, the gap's a little inject though.
It's wider here than it is nice and tight right there.
Yeah, so we're gonna need to do a little bit of adjusting. I think that fender needs to go out a little bit, because this one might need to come in just a little bit, tad bit. But otherwise, dude, that shit is good. To get her washed up, take her out for a spin.
Yeah.
20 miles an hour. This is a very low car. We have to...
Alrighty guys, that is going to be a wrap on this Toyota 86 build. She is a beauty.
This car obviously had some little challenges here and there, nothing too crazy. It was pretty easy to put together, minus the headlights, which we couldn't figure out. But turns out it was as easy as plug and play. And then the cold air intake, we had to do a little bit of mods just to make the fitment right. But other than that, super easy build, very fun, nothing too difficult. And honestly, what's really dope is that we did get a chance to make this a facelift. So this is a Subaru front end on a Toyota 86. We also got the sequential headlights. Sequential headlights make a big difference. So if you're into this, do it. Throw a turbo on there, throw some sick wheels, slam it, get it manual, do not get it automatic like we did, which is, maybe it is one of those mistakes. You know, maybe we could have done a couple spins, but on an automatic, you can't do that. You got them stupid paddle shifts, so whatever that is.
We're not going to be doing a price breakdown video of this car. We bought it to flip it, make some money on it. This car was really cheap. It was only $5 grand. We bought it off the lot.
So we won it on the auction actually even cheaper, but with auction fees, this and that, it came out to be all $5 grand.
Yep, and then fix it, buy all the parts, shipping, sending out the airbags. Altogether, it was about $3,500 to fix it, so the car came to a total of about $8,500 for this.
And honestly, this is a 2017 with 28,000 miles, super low miles. And we're probably gonna be listing this car, probably selling it around 15 grand. So there you go, that's about a what? $6,500 profit.
Easy
That
profit.
is bananas.
Yeah, there was nothing crazy that we did on it. It was just buying the parts, putting them together, and that was it.
A little bit of framework, but that wasn't anything crazy. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the content you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button. It would help us out. Also hit that like button to make this YouTube video go through the roof in the YouTube algorithm.
Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. We post a ton of videos on there that are exclusive content to those platforms. So if you want to see what's happening next and what build is coming, follow us there.
With that being said, we love you guys and we'll catch you next time.
Peace.